In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how much space there's left on your OneDrive. So the first thing you want to do is go into your OneDrive inside Google Chrome or any other browser, and then once you're in here, you simply go down here to the left where it says storage, and you can see 0% is taken up right now, so less than 0.1 gigabyte out of 5 gigabytes available. And now if you want to see the more specific stats, so how much space is taken by which document, you click on this blue underlined space over here, and then you're going to be taken into your storage summary. And now in here you can see your current plan, your additional storage, and then you can see the total used storage from OneDrive and your Outlook and the Outlook attachments. And you can then free up space by emptying the recycle bin, going to OneDrive or to Outlook, and then you can also view your Microsoft account. And yeah, you can get more storage by pressing over here in the blue button, where you can purchase more storage for the set prices here on screen. And that is how you see how much space you have left on your OneDrive.